let's play a game. How long will this take to be unblocked? I'm gonna say 3 weeks. Woo! Hey guys, this is Black Lightning. This is 111. This is the book of pain. I bring the pain. This is episode 12. We have one more episode to go after this, and I'm very excited for it. This series has been incredible, may I just add, and I'm being blessed to watch it. And I just hope that you guys can watch me react to it, because if you can't, what's the point of me fucking doing this? Hopefully we'll get things sorted sooner or later with WBTV, one way or another. So, this is Black Lightning. Let's go.
Somewhere.
Aww. Damn, he got them fingers. Yeah, I meant it like that. Screw it. Yep. That's right. Damn. He's just... Oh, Jefferson. Oh, sexy beast.
I like it when you do that. Yeah.
This is so awkward and so awesome. Damn, boy, that was so sick. That was so sick. Don't forget, guys, you can watch the full episode on Patreon. Oh no, the extended reaction, sorry, on Patreon.
What happened? In the chaos of the night, you were brave enough to pull me to safety, and I can appreciate that.
You're welcome, sir.
What can't you appreciate? He's gonna say
But
what
you
I
left
can't.
my sister
Oh, fuck.
and left Tori to die.
If I went back, they would have gotten you too.
You left her to die.
Damn. He loves his sister.
You're so impulsive. It feels good to be back.
I hope your name isn't Mr. Martin, otherwise it might be lights out for you. Oh fuck, no, Gambi's here with a shotgun.
Come on in. That's far enough. I like this. It's got a retro feel you don't usually get in a high-capacity weapon.
I'm impressed you got in. I had to beef up the security system after our last meeting.
All right, so you're
Damn.
smart enough to know I'd be back, but you're not smart enough to know how to stop me.
Look, I didn't lie to you last time.
True, but you didn't tell me what I wanted to know.
I still
Shit.
can't. So if you want to kill me, just kill me. Talking about it doesn't make it...
Technology he's gotten, it's not easy to come by.
No, it's not. Not in
Does it
freedom,
matter?
especially.
Yes, it matters.
Dad, I get what you're saying, but Khalil wouldn't hurt me.
Okay, but this is not just about Khalil. It's about the decisions
Jennifer, how can
he's
you be so
made
blind?
and
I'm sorry, but
the
you
people he is
you've
possibly
seen
involved with.
exactly.
Stay
Wake up,
away.
girl. He's not asking either. He's telling you. Oh, wake your mind up. Oh shit.
Can't
Well,
wait till
anyway.
Mom figures out how to fix me. So sick of this powers drama.
Uh-oh.
Your mother, what?
She's isolating this meta gene so she can stop it. I can finally be me again.
Damn.
Jeff, I'm not the enemy.
You're trying to change her and treating her like she's sick. Okay, so is Anissa sick? Am I?
No, that's not
I
what
mean, how could you do this without talking to me?
Damn.
You know, I think it's really good that we didn't tell the girls that we're getting back together.
Oh shit. Well, you may have fucked up a little bit there. Yeah, you should have told them. Honesty is the best policy in all forms of relationship. Shit. This is worrying. Ah, fuck. Kids might want to run a little bit quicker. Oh shit!
I never could stand your ass.
What are you doing, Khalil?
Oh fuck! Oh shit! Jen was, oh shit! Jen's going in.
Go.
Fuck. Game on, mofo. Damn you, holy shit! Get out of there, Jen. Okay. Here we go! Come on, Jeff! Come on, kick his ass! Damn! Oh, fuck me! Ooh! Damn! Holy shit! Damn! Yeah, she's done. She's done.
Anissa,
This is
your
how
dad needs your help. Get over there quick.
I pray that's true. I pray that's true. Because I don't ever want to see you like that again. Ever again. Ever. What happened, Dad?
Oh shit!
Jeff? Let me take this super Negro out. What was that?
It was Jennifer.
Whatever Jennifer did, tell her to do it again. Hard.
Come on, Jen. One more time. Shock him. Shock him one more time.
Come on, Jen. Come on, Jen! Thank fuck for that. I'm glad his neon lights come on when he's alive, because otherwise we have no fucking clue.
You did it, Jeff.
I will blow your head off, you mother.
The devil deals the cards.
Damn.
Sit your ass down.
I love how calm Tobias Whale is at every fucking thing.
I really hate loose ends, so I want to thank you for taking care of the weapons maker.
You're welcome.
Shit.
We killed Lady Eve to get a seat. Now we just have to take care of Proctor and we'll own the whole damn table. So Octavius, shall we begin?
What do you think we shall, me hearties?
Yes, sir.
Stop crying. No place for tears here. Well, fuck. I'm not really sure where it's going, but I'm excited to find out. And that was one hell of a hallway fight. I love a good hallway fight in a superhero. So I'm sorry, guys, I've got to run. But you're probably not watching this for like another 3 weeks because it'll be blocked. Nervous breakdown laughter. I love you lots. This has been Black Lightning. You've been awesome, and I've been Torchwood Boy. Peace, my bros. Peace. Bye.